back, lovelies and friends, and top of the morning to you. Now we have Dwayne here on the mix, and he is reviewing Pretty Don's tape. Now, Pretty Don is talking about a controversial topic that has been hitting social media from left to right, and this is a topic that is burning right across Jamaica and over the world. This is the topic of the Hero Circle Crab Lady Alice. Now we all know by now what happened at Hero Circle, and everybody's torn up about it. People had the crabs from Alice, they're speaking out, and now everyone is talking about it. Pretty Don, she's very, very upset to the point where she's going off on Alice about this. So hear how Dwayne analyzes this tape, and go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And please remember, subscribing helps the channel. So go ahead and subscribe. Love you all and have yourselves a wonderful day.
But love it to a certain extent. Like, me not gonna tell you say me no yam piece of jerk fowl and piece of jerk chicken. Me not gonna tell you say me no go buy a soup. Me not go tell you say me no go Jamaican sister cook and Santa Claus royalty. What me not like is as Jamaican as Jamaicans not understand and admit say years we are buy from them and they now wash their hand and they now use glove and we not see what blood clot happen and years we are buy from them blood clot nasty people here. You don't think Alice alone nasty? Me so rich to thinking Alice. Years we are named from nasty people around. Soap never washing hand yet a blood clot. Emmanuel jerk never washing hand yet. Nobody never blood clot wash their hand yet. Man with blood clot just go watch out, go all a piece. Shake off hood, come back round, jerk foul again, me general. Here's me a buy from people like stinking Alice. But Alice make a come to you. And this somebody will video Alice. Big up yourself. Somebody need to find you and reward you. Alice a long time you nasty. Mighty God, Alice me a see up on it sit them long time with people who come to Jamaica on Niam. A long time me a see them black fingernail they are going to people mouth corner. A long time me a see I use the same black fingernail I store the blood clad pot with the crab them in it. Years now, me see say you unbleached bumbo hole. Nah see your fuck. Me would have never name a crab from blood clot Alice. Me see blood clot rebel go out there. Rebel go out there. Rebel out there. Rebel life. Rebel get it bucket. Alice, give her a rebel in bucket. And rebel said, Alice, is this the bucket? Alice, is this the bucket, Alice? To all you violate every bumbo clad body of Jamaica near me, Alice crab them. Rebel near me, the whole of the artists dead near me, the amount of who where her belly run since you no watch Ali blood, Alice fingernail they ever black. Alice no watch hand. Alice say, yeah, I want to know what you me have the high blood pressure and the diabetes. This shit come down for me. I'm here to tell you God Almighty truth. I couldn't hold it and just have to release it right there. I'm here to tell you say the girl never did have to video it. And she wicked, don't it? Alice no. And you blood clot wicked. Your niece and farm Billy, I will put you to justice. You see justice, it advocates you. Repercussion. Your blood clot niece know about your nasty life. Long time. Alice look like she a crutch pussy and body and her blood clot mix around the crab them long time. Every time you see Alice fingernail them black like a tar. Alice nasty like a... You know what I see where Alice live. There is no know. We all can see condition of blood clot Alice face and his shirt front there ever dirty. Look like you want blow all his nose in his shirt front them. But you don't know. It takes a crab to cook a crab. Because Mama the biggest crab me ever see. Alice Nancy. All of the artists them. One can think of one, you go over here, circle, go all a crap. The whole of...
Hold on, guys, hold on. I didn't get it. I'm just... Listen, I try a thing.
Look like you want blow all the nose in his shirt from them. But you don't know. It takes a crab to cook a crab. Because Mama the biggest crab me ever see. Alice Nancy. All of the artists them. One can think of one, you go over here, circle, go all a crab. The whole of the high society people them.
No man nasty with you.
All of them.
Nasty.
Love sister, man. Love that. Bet your blood clot rubbing on your maroon again. And he still a walk there go by carbon. Still a walk there, but he just now buy all his clan. Car. He now got Holly style. Big up rebel. Alice. Me see the man come from the food network. They will walk around the world and eat the world's food, best food review. Him say, oh, and this is Alice. Alice is the greatest in Jamaica. Just look at the seasoning. You can smell all the peppers. You can smell the garlic. You can smell the thyme. When you look on blood clot, Alice fingernail, you know what? Jesus Christ. They're gonna kill me too blood clot. Sorry. So, when you look on Alice fingernail, you know, see Alice there? With the crab foot. When the man suck out the wall of the blood clot.
Fingernail.
And make this out of the woman fingernail, you know, one. Woman fingernail, them black and pink, you know, one. When you look at Alice's fingernail, you man, the woman shirt front, we full of someone nose not. You have to say, kiss me, rascal. Alice, they will burn you. They will pat down your blood clot.
I agree with her.
Yeah, the whole I thinking crap them where you have this up. After years, Mr. say you're not sanitary. Somebody need, everybody when they have Alice need to go drink some hand sanitizer and rinse out the inside or some bleach. Mighty God, Alice. Somebody need to call the health department for your bumbo clot. Somebody, don't lock down the hero circle because everybody nasty like Alice. I don't need to put one pipe out there, man. Out the hero circle. Dirty Alice, you kiss me rascal. You take a bumbo clot. Nasty blood clot individual. You walk one bucket, you know, and sky drop some shit in one bucket, you know, Alice. Alice sky drop his shit in the blood clot bucket, you know. And when time the whole of the shit come out, Alice, hold on.
Because I have to go.
Where did you go to the
Oh, God.
Why?
I didn't know you were right here.
No, but I'm in the middle of something. I don't know. Go look.
She got distracted by looking at one of our family member.
Hurry up, David. Go on.
Oh, baby. Our girl. Skip back.
Ah, yes, so to one blood clot bucket. This is the bucket where the onion and scallion and tomato in, you know what, man? The whole like pimento seed. The whole bucket where the seasoning go on in a mama sky drop.
Not much.
All the way down in the bumbo clot bucket. And then I serve some at the same time. We same bumbo clot time. And drop the blood clot sitting in the bucket to blood clot. Alice, why? Why would you do that?
Nasty
And
woman.
like I said, there's somebody who have video your niece wicked. Your niece wicked.
Come my bucket.
You want somebody take you see your blood clot bucket? I'm beating on your blood clot head with the Alice. Alice, you want somebody with this mantle your blood clot all bleach out face with this bucket. You is the most repulsive blood clot human.
Repulsive is an understatement.
I'm gonna make we start cooking with blood clot yard. Never blood clot again, Alice. Never in your life. You nasty shit bucket.
Hold on. Hey, Don is a damn mess, but I love her. I love Pretti Dan. I love her. I'm not telling her I'm serious.
You make every again, Alice. Never in your life. You nasty shit bucket, bitch. You make every price for crap gone down. Right now, everybody can buy crap. Baby, I'm gonna cook the one crap thinking Alice. So now, wanna know Alice formula all these years.
No.
Shit residue.
I said that is shit.
Fingernail. Me bumper clap. I'm nasty fingernail I've never seen in my life, bro.
Listen,
I never see a woman who prepare food have such nasty fingernail. Me say woman have dirt that grow out her fingernail. Me say the woman cuticle them black like a engine oil. And have your hand in a paper mouth. You can see pus for Alice finger them. The woman look bad. Somebody need to go to Hero Circle go burn down for him style. Your style repulse Jamaica. No, nobody now come out there come combine no crap. Alice, hide yourself. I mean, a woman on the comment section I said, I'm not the only person who buy crap from a Hero Circle, you know, because she didn't always strike me as clean. All you nasty, you know. All you nasty. All your black clot nasty. Get the woman is trying you as clean. Woman face always over bleach. Over fucking bleach. And when we say over bleach, it's over rascal bleach. When we say, me bust the rascal. When me look on blood clot, Alice, face chamber, shirt front then dirty a fuck like him a blowing nose.
My God.
In pussy clot shirt front, Alice foot them black toenail, them black fingernail, then coming like man we a work and road. And that the woman that strike you as clean, me would have never buy from Alice. Alice dirty, but they say dirty people can cook him most. Not for me. Not for blood clot me. Dirty Alice. No wonder how they never lock you up. Person you figure. Shit and food the mix. You know the whole I seasoning bucket. Yeah, shit. Human couldn't even